Today I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook Messenger plugin to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to enable real-time communication with your visitors, making it easier for potential customers to reach out to you directly through Messenger. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to elfsite.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but if you're already set up, simply enter your credentials and sign in. Elfsite offers a variety of widgets and plugins that can enhance your website's functionality, and today we're focusing on their Facebook chat widget. After logging in, look over to the left side menu. Here you'll find several options for managing your apps and widgets. Click on Add New App. This will take you to a page where you can browse through all the available widgets that Elfsite offers. There's quite a selection, so we'll narrow it down quickly. In the search bar that appears, type Facebook Chat and click on it when it shows up in the results. This brings up the Facebook Chat widget, which is exactly what we need to integrate Messenger functionality into your Squarespace site. Now you'll see various templates available for customization. Browse through these options and select the one that best matches your website's design and your communication needs. Once you've made your choice, click Continue with this template. The next step is crucial. You'll need to connect your Facebook account to allow the widget to access your Messenger. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This ensures that when visitors message you through the plugin, those messages come directly to your Facebook Messenger account. Once you've successfully connected your account, click Publish. This finalizes your widget settings. After that, click the Close button to exit the setup screen. Now navigate back to your list of apps. Find the Facebook chat widget you just created. Click the three dots beside it and select Embed Code. This code is what we'll use to integrate the Messenger plugin into your Squarespace site. Go ahead and copy the entire code snippet. With the code copied, switch over to your Squarespace dashboard. On the left side menu, locate and click on Custom Code. Under that section, you'll see Code Injection. Click on it. This is where Squarespace allows you to add custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to your site. Once you're in the code injection page, find the footer field. This is where we'll paste the code we copied from Elfsite. Paste the code into the footer section. Placing it in the footer ensures that the Messenger plugin loads properly across all pages of your site without interfering with other elements. After pasting the code, click Save to apply the changes. Give your site a moment to process and refresh. Once that's done, visit your live website and you should now see the Facebook Messenger plugin appear, usually in the bottom corner of your pages. Visitors can click on it to start a conversation with you directly through Messenger, and that's it. You've successfully added a Facebook Messenger plugin to your Squarespace site, making it easier for visitors to connect with you instantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.